This is our mini DC UPS KP3. Rated at 18 watts and equipped with a 10,000 milliamp hours battery. Let's take a look at its key features and functions. The KP3 is ideal for powering low-energy devices, such as routers or optical network terminals. Here are the basic input-output ports and the technical parameters of the device. On the back, you can find the serial number and the yen code. Now, let's unbox the KP3. Inside the package, you'll find the KP3 unit itself, the user manual, the KP3 charger adapter, a 1 to 1 DC cable, a 1 to 2 DC cable, an adapter for various connections. On the front of the device, there are 3 indicator lights. On the back, you'll find the serial number, the technical parameters, and wall mounting holes for easy installation. This is where you can find the input and output ports. The power button is located here. Just press once to turn the unit on. Let's now connect the KP3 to a load. Here, we have a 12-volt 2-amp GPON and a 12-volt 2-amp Wi-Fi router. We'll connect a router to the KP3 and plug in the Ethernet cable to connect GPON. Since it is not operating at full load, the total load is less than 18 watts. The system is operating within its rated capacity, and you can see that all devices are running smoothly. Now, let's simulate an overload situation. This is a DC load simulator, which will test the output from the KP3. Due to power losses, the voltage the simulator receives is around 11.7 volt. At the moment, the current is 1.4 amp and the total power is just over 16 watts. We'll gradually increase the load. At 1.5 amp, the power reaches 17.5 watts. Now, at 1.55 amp, the power hits 18 watts, and the indicator starts flashing. At approximately 1.57 amp, the unit triggers protection mode, and the power is cut off.